Hi Saket.
Hello.
Saket, how are you? Aro. So Aro,
Sorry.
this is Saket, and
Mm-hmm.
I already told you about him. Saket, this is Aro, right? And he is very intelligent, and he just wanted to speak with you for one thing, that how to manage your, this physics, chemistry with, with the test prep card and all. How the things are here at test prep card. So that's it. Aro,
Uh,
can you start conversing? Okay, please.
Yes, I
Yeah.
think so. Like because there is the class for the three subjects is like about 5 hour commitment, right? And then there would be homework, plus you have to do your schoolwork here, right? And other
yeah.
activities you have. So how do you manage?
Okay. How I manage. What I do is usually the homework. I'd start doing it around Thursday, usually when I have less work to do.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Doing it on Thursday, Friday. And so it's just like it's like a little procrastination, but it's just like dedicate some time in the week to do it. Like a time in the week you're less busy. Or if you have time that just opened up, just do the homework then. That's what I do. I try and get as much work done in school so I can free up time so I can do
Which,
the homework like that.
which
So
school do
yeah.
you do? What's your school?
Uh,
High school?
Science Academy. Hollywood.
It's in Fremont.
No, it's in Los Angeles.
Oh, you are from LA. Okay, okay, got
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
Okay, so like, how does is there an overlap of the content uh, with your current courses? I'm assuming you probably are taking AP chemistry and probably AP Cal and all those things. So is there an overlap between what is taught at the test prep versus what you study at school?
Right, we're gonna go AP by AP. AP biology, it has a good amount of overlap, but the difference is what they test you on, because the
Mhm.
AP biology doesn't test much on memorization, while in NEET biology, it's a lot more memorization focused. Physics and chemistry. For chemistry, there's the physical and then there's the organic, and then there's the inorganic, but I think it's mostly physical and organic. AP chemistry tests mostly on physical.
Mm-hmm.
If you do AP chemistry, it would be good enough for the actual NEET chemistry, or at least that first half of it. Then for NEET physics, physics C, there's two APs for physics C, mechanics and E&M. That would be good enough to get the fundamentals for 2/3 or like about a half of the NEET physics syllabus, because then the rest of it is not covered by AP. So
Okay.
yeah.
So AP is separate. Okay.
Yeah, but the textbooks that they provide, the American textbooks, are always good. Like the resources they give are helpful with
Okay.
coming to NEET.
Okay. So in addition to like the classes, how much is the homework load per week?
Right now, if I were to look at what the homework load is, if I were to just check my emails, one of them is just we got like a problem set, all these problems, like 45 questions. So homework usually comes from that. So if you want to
Mm-hmm.
get ahead on the homework, just do as many problems you can on the DPP. Like I think I have yeah, like this. It looks like this. That's the one for biology. There's just 45 questions on the DPP. So yeah, that's it. They give some of the questions during the lectures themselves, and you also do some of them in class. Sometimes there'll be an overlap, so it's nice. So yeah,
Okay.
that's the homework load. Physics is a little hard when it comes to the. It's like you have to try and think about it a lot and consult help so you can understand the physics. But by the time you get the hang of it, it takes less time to. So yeah, it is a somewhat substantial homework load, but if you get the hang of it, it's not that bad.
Okay. So how are like
Yeah.
the lectures structured?
So it depends by the more often than not, it's just notes and then problems. Like
Okay.
they'll try and cover the entire chapter and then start giving problems from the. Uh, or they'd give problems alongside, like if it's physics or if it's chemistry, they'd start going over concepts, maybe give a couple practice, just understand what's going on, and then they'll start giving you the DPP questions, so you can like just test your knowledge. Yeah,
Okay.
those lectures are structured, and it's always best to just keep some resources next to you so you can cross-reference. So, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So do you look forward to staying in India for 5 years for your degree away from your parents?
It's like you, for me, I just don't know the path yet. I want to prepare for all the paths, like going to college in America versus taking the NEET in India. I want to get all of my avenues open so I can see what it'll be like. But if I do end up going to India to stay for a medical college, I think I'd be pretty excited because it's a lot cheaper. It's India. I get to be in India
Yeah,
for a little. So yeah.
yeah. But then when you come back here, then you'll have to prepare for USMLE and all those stuff,
Yeah.
right?
If you want to come back, like after you do your MBBS in India, you write the steps in America. And yeah,
Mm.
whereas in America, you'd have to worry about the MCAT immediately after undergrad, which is basically like NEET, but a little bit different. So yeah,
Oh,
it's
oh,
less,
Yeah.
it's less stressful in India because everything's already laid out for you. In America, it isn't. You have to actually do stuff outside of college. So it's like India is nicer in that sense. And
yeah,
also,
yeah. But you are going to try for the pre-med here also, right? That's what you're saying.
yeah,
And if you
I want to
okay,
keep all of my avenues open. So
okay,
once 2 years rolls around, I'll see what happens.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I don't have any more question. Do you have any question for Saket? Anything you can think of?
Yeah. So what is like the sort of like the learning curve like in like physics and chemistry? Is it become like steep very quickly?
Hmm. Okay, if I were to think about the learning curve for chemistry, they're going in the normal order of how the NCERT book goes. But for physics, the order that they're going right now means that the learning curve is a little bit steep in regards to just understanding how the problems work. But
Mm-hmm.
you'll get used to it by doing enough practice problems. You'll see the formulas. You should try and understand how they work so you can use them and remember them. But besides that, like by the time you start learning more and more chapters and just connecting all of the dots together, it'll make more sense and the learning curve will become smaller. So it's like just it takes time. So it's a steep learning curve, I guess, because it takes time to get used to the physics problems.
Okay. So do you need to know like a lot of knowledge on physics and chemistry before you go in?
I guess um what you could do if you for knowledge. I mean, it's helpful to know the knowledge so you can just like have have some idea about what's going on. But you could just enter and then just do it. But I just suggest having some cross reference beforehand, like maybe just find an American textbook, read that section a little bit, and then have a general idea, and then maybe just go into the lecture and learn stuff, learn new stuff, learn how to do the problems, that stuff. So have some prior knowledge before entering the lecture, because they will tell you what the lecture is about, and the chapter will stay the same for a little bit, so you can just review it on your own time, and also in the lecture, so you can understand it. So yeah.
Okay. Anything else you have?
I don't.
I think we don't have any more questions, Saket. We are good. We'll just discuss it. Thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it.
Okay.
Arav,
Yeah.
I just have to say something over here. That see, each student has got a different aptitude, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what you can learn from your peer group is the spirit, right? Not about the result all the time. If you keep on thinking about the end result all the time, probably you are diluting the thunder of your own preach, right? It's a world of learning which we have
Mm-hmm.
created, right? And we know that you are a very smart and very good student. Do not lack confidence, right?
Mm-hmm.
People can learn from you. That's it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Saket. Thank you
Yeah,
very
thank
much.
you, Saket.
Just give
Yeah.
your
Thank
time.
you.
Thank you,
Thank
Manish.
you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye.
All well, and God bless to both of you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.